Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Chooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now, I'm going to start with Arsenal Football Club. Rams they don't get an England debut as them play San Marino yesterday and England win them 10-0. Yes, 10-0. So we're very happy for them as guy getting debut because that San Marino now she pack and be now everybody waiting for that group now beats them. So I don't know why they even follow them for not even play this competition. But just happy for them because a lot of people can't use them get goals. Like some people use them get their own game time. So we just happy for the boys as they really try. Even Smith Rowe can't get 1 goal and 1 assist for the match, which is in first England senior goal. And Baba even assist Harry Kane, where Harry Kane score, and he scored the 7th goal. So they're very happy for him. As since Seth don't play for England, he don't score for England, so it's remain again. So just be happy for the guy as he enjoy himself now. At the same time, even Bukayo Saka follow score for the match, so they're very happy because Saka score, Smith Rowe score, Ramsey self they for post. 3 of them even start self, so this one comes sweet my belly as our 3 boys start for England because Gareth Southgate don't reason say this match no be strong match like that. Yeah, so yeah, make all of them go start, when I go enjoy myself, and all of them can go really enjoy themselves. So it's a very nice one for Arsenal as a football club. Also get 3 representatives for that England squad, and all of them they play at the same time. So this one a nice one, and sometimes they give me joy if I think about them. And my monetary spirit they let us know say in case I don't tell Arsenal say he no one do again, say he won't come out at the end of the summer, say he no go sign new contract, even though they don't offer a contract, they don't beg and say Baba I beg stay with us now, waiting they stop. So Baron talk say he no one stay again because as it be now, this guy never even gets any EPL appearance, no start any EPL match. I don't know, they won't make him sign new contracts. I don't know which levels now. Make him on the step of Benjamin the more. I be making on the killing career the more. If now you be in Katia now, they want to say okay, I can't sign new contract. Here you go sign. I don't understand whether they treat this guy. Why they don't send them out on loan? That be the big mistake where they make. At least send them out on loan, go even if it's a championship, make him go help one team and gain promotion. Or even if na France or any other country, shall send them on loan. You know, send them on loan, nothing. And at that I know say we know they play plenty competition. At the same time, you can't keep this guy for bench. Doing nothing. You know we have only Premier League and only Cup, and we get plenty players. In short, when we even they play Europa League and everything, the guy not really they play plenty matches. It can't be now we say we get limited matches, just Premier League and Cup. How you want to survive? Now you want to see making sign new contracts. If I miss up being I no go live on, I no go sign. I'll go find my place where I will go play football. So even West Ham said the reason the guy matter, say they won't collect the guy for January. But I never know whether Arsenal will really sell him because this is why we say don't tell them officially. Say guy, see, I don't want to deal with tonight again. Me, I won't find my square root. I don't see they will define how they will sell him for January. Well, if you recoup any money from your head for January, fine, because as it be now, I get less than at least 6 months for a contract, 6 or 7 months. So no, by January they will like to sell. And this is why I'm saying on talk say he no one do again. How do I see this story now? And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. No say yesterday I've been begging now. Today some I don't come again, they beg now. After I beg now yesterday, like 50 people come join. I did very happy. Now we don't enter 650. You get this is our plan now to get our first 1,000 subscribers. So I beg you, if you see the watch our channel, you never subscribe. If you subscribe, I beg. You see the button there, subscribe. As the watcher just tap and bam, everything will just enter. So that's what it just be. I beg you, subscribe and for our Facebook, we're gonna continue to follow us and God will continue to bless you now. At the same time, I say make I remind you now say our fan subscription program where Facebook say we dey eligible for is still dey on. Now for those who want just support us, say okay, the bad this guy, I like the way the guy they do, make I support and make so that I'm going to continue to do what they do. So you just click the subscription button where they under our video, you will see them there. Click up, then make it just do the level. So God will continue to bless you as you support us in Jesus' name and inshallah. Amen. My familiar setting after them Smith Rowe and Ramsdale and Saka play for England. So Ian Wright gonna come as I can talk. So you see these 3 guys now. So they really deserve their England call-up, especially Ramsdale and Emile Smith Rowe. They really deserve their start to get. Say don't think now, don't they hope say Gareth Southgate will choose to make the start match. I think no man Saka the start. Say but these three they can't start and they very happy. So what remain at Ben White get me Ben White say any call-up maybe say we don't get like 4 boys for that England squad, and if all of them can start, that means Arsenal they come back to the glory days. People don't reckon them say stars day for this place. So it's a very nice thing, Sha. At the same time, we're going to talk about the battle between Jordan Pickford and Ramsdale. You know, say all of them are the reason who will be the first choice number 1 keeper for England for the World Cup. Because Ramsdale don't come as I talk say now the only battle will remain when the fight. He don't battle with Leno, he don't beat Leno. So this one and Jordan Pickford the one battle with and Noah saying they see himself as the number 1 for 2022 World Cup. Well, we never know as it will be. Now make him just continue to do what they do. They play the way when they play. Normal on a good day, him pass Pickford and she pack up or anything. So no just they look unless maybe Gareth Southgate won't pick name ahead of form. If you won't pick form, normal Ramsey is supposed to start there. So that's so it just be. Even to your World Cup self, don't come and say I can't talk to you. Waiting they stop for Arsenal self, say the thing they sweet in Belay now, saying like waiting Arteta they do with all these young boys get, giving them the opportunity to prove themselves and play very well. Say it is sweet in Belay, say kudos to the manager, say he know how to do man management get and create a bond with all these young players. If you check Arsenal score, they have like the average team age for the league now, and they very good, saying they enjoy waiting they saw. Our Middlesbrough coach they call Chris Wilder said don't come outside the reason how he go take collect Balogun on loan from Arsenal. So we never know how this one goes up. Now what is they supposed to do in case ability? Say they send these guys on loan. You get no people they play for under 23. They win, they score. Go be like say hey, they sabi play. No be by that one now. Carry the guy go championship, make him go compete against defenders wey be say they collect salary to feed their family. We say no nonsense defenders wey be say from there they will come EPL. Some EPL sef don go back there. They will go compete against. Don't be say go dey compete with people you say you know say on a good day you pass them. Go dey compete against them. You gonna win. You gonna hail you say hey Balogun scored 3 goals. Don't be so now. So that's the thing. I just hope say Arsenal go sanction the deal. Say okay, Balogun go and join Middlesbrough. Make Chris Wilder sef 3 years more. We'll see what he go solve. At the same time, Dejan Kulusevski will be Juventus winger. Where Arsenal interested in buying, don't come outside from media center where they want to ask him for Olaf podcast. Say which team being favorite team so Baba Conto say na Arsenal, saying like the way Arsenal they play. This podcast, no be saying na dem do am. This podcast now for 2019, na dem do am. That Arsenal never even the reason it matter. So because of this Arsenal interest, the podcast video come out for social media because say this guy now Arsenal fan in bio say it go make sense make Arsenal even sign him because the guy don't like Arsenal. Since no be say that because of say the reason the matter I can't talk say I like it now. So and at the same time I don't tell now before say Juventus coach Massimiliano Allegri talk say no like the guy. No even they use the guy at all because so if we won't go for the guy, it would be very good. Only say the guy price like £29 million. Now they talk say they want for him because they won't collect the money self, add more money, go buy Dusan Vlahovic because that one don't dey beyond our reach now. So we won't cut our coats according to our size and this Kulusevski, the guy good because I don't wrong go check out on YouTube. Yeah, he's trying and he's very young. So we'll feel add up to our team because Arteta want more firepower for that January because on our top 4, if you top 4 with also won't go. You don't think go top 4 with what you get already. You got to add somebody to do something different because no two halves of the league they the same. We go see people say then they flop for the first half. The second half like this they go better. So we need to buy more firepower. Even if we don't buy them, we could loan them, come they can help us propel ourselves enter our top 4 because anything make us enter top 4 or even top 6, say we go Europe. It will help us attract the best of the best players so we won't buy. Get some people will say for the reason that matter now, they will say I don't go Champions League now, I don't go Europa. No, I don't want to. I don't want to play league and cup. But if we do for these competitions, you will see some kind of players will say we will reason them say Baba come join us that go run the come. So now the level will be that. About Olympic Marseille wants Saliba on a permanent deal. So this one I don't make them official. So I never know how Arsenal will respond because a lot of fans don't go for Twitter they para say no, we don't want that, I don't know about it now at this time because ever since we Arsenal signed Saliba from St. Etienne, we never really use him. We signed him from St. Etienne, we send him back on loan there. I think that's 2018 we signed this guy. We send him back on loan there, Baba go there, play, finish loan, come back. We send him go OG Nice. Baba go there, play under Vieira. In case you don't know, play under Vieira. He play for OG, come back again. Now not sell and ship him out again. So the guy never even play for Arsenal at all. So if not even Saliba self, he go dey vex, he go dey para. So I need to enjoy life. But Marcel just like Guendouzi. Even Guendouzi said of Marcel, I say no one come back again. You know that kind of level now. So we never know whether Saliba self get that kind of feeling, say I don't want to come back again. I be in the hope say I won't come back. So I just pray say the guy get plans to come back because Arsenal will really sell him. But the problem now they say in contract now, if you don't run down anytime soon, if you remember be 1 or 2 years before you know now, Baba Fino won't really sign contract extension. Before you know now, Arsenal will be forced to sell him to recoup funds. At the end of the day, who you go blame? I never know. So well, more the watch as it will turn out here. Our familiar setting, they call the ask Odegaard, say, Baba, what is the sup now? How come now you don't they play plenty games for Arsenal now? How they be you now? So Baba come talk, say, well, truly, you know they play plenty games for Arsenal. Say, but the people they are ahead of them, they play very well. So when guys they happy for them, say, you know, so anytime when the coach go call and so you can't enter, can't play now, say, he go they happy to represent the club. I know so why this guy know they play with that because at times I don't change formation to 4-4-2, and that 4-4-2 no they really favor Odegaard, they favor Lacazette because of Lacazette they change their formation so that they go fit accommodate in with Auba for that place, you get. And Odegaard issue go dey very worse because this is why we say Arsenal don't dey interested in signing Raheem Sterling, don't dey linked with Sterling. This is why we say Barcelona now they don't cut their ties with Sterling, they don't want to do again because Xavi will be their new coach, don't tell the scouts with the scouts Sterling and those with the in charge of operations, transfer operations, tell them say they halt all proceedings, say you don't want Sterling again. So now only us there for the running, and if Sterling won't game time, if Sterling won't go World Cup, won't keep in place for that starting 11 for World Cup, in gas play somewhere, and that somewhere in Arsenal. So if Sterling come Arsenal, no how. If we won't play our 4-4-2 continue, Sterling will go for flank, you get. And Mr. will be forced to come up for that flank when they can't come for the middle. And for that middle when they you can't be more trouble for Odegaard. I mean say this guy will sign for like 27 million pounds or 30 million pounds. You know can't they play again or more. I can't pity for the guy. I wanna see this story. But let's if we no sign, we never even sign Sterling about the chop Benjamin. If we can't collect Sterling, in Benjamin go worse because on a good day Ateta go choose Smith-Rowe ahead of Odegaard. So now so it just be well everything in January now. More the watch. January, you know far, just close by. So my dear football lovers, I'm gonna come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon with it there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you say we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you. Have a nice day.